Welcome to this tutorial, where I will show you how to add a title to your profile in the VSCO app. If you want to personalize your profile and let others know a bit more about you, adding a title is a simple and effective way to do that. In the next minute, I will guide you through the process. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, at the top of the profile page, tap the Edit option to access your profile settings. Then, look for the title field within the profile settings. In this field, you can enter any title you want to display on your profile. It can be something related to your style, your passion, or anything that represents you. After entering your preferred title, look for the Save icon, usually located at the top right corner. Tap on Save to confirm your changes. Finally, once you save your new title, it will appear on your VSCO profile for others to see. This small addition can help make your profile stand out and give visitors a quick idea about who you are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials to get the most out of your favorite apps.